What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to your Steam. So first, you need to install the Steam application by going to the official website of Steam. And from there, you can see the option to install the application. So install it from there. And after installing, you will see this type of dashboard of the Steam application. Now from here, on the right side, you need to click on your profile, like on your manage account. And after that, you need to click on account details. After clicking on account details at the top, you can see the option to add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on this. And after that, you can add these funds to your Steam wallet according to your wish and requirement. And if you have a gift card or wallet code, you can click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. And after clicking, you can just simply enter the wallet code or gift code here and then click on continue. And then all the funds that are in that gift code or wallet code will be withdrawn or will be transferred to your Steam's balance. So this is how you can add custom funds to Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.